Well, boys, I believe that we're good here. I got this running. I know the outside one works. I haven't tested the inside one. This is part 2. Well, video 2 of this. Today I would like to actually start putting switches on. I'm gonna put switches on. I'm not sure where though. I'd like to put, I would like to very much put, like a shed, but here we go. That's a good speed right there. But, yeah, the whole outside works. I haven't tested this inside though. Like a little loop. And here it goes. Now that might be the tricky part there, okay? Let's get so far. I'm hoping we don't have to replace it because I will barely have any other area. Well, I'll barely have any track actually to make anything else. Now that corner had a little bit of trouble on. And let's see if it goes on again. I don't know what it is. Okay, that must have been a one-time thing. But I'll get my switches out here. I'm just gonna put this boy. Where should we put this? We'll put them there. And I'll get out my switches and we'll see what we can do. So yeah. So all I got to do this with. This is all the stuff in here. I have a box of like miscellaneous things. Just that are just with the the stuff that I was using earlier. But I'll go ahead and show you this. So bam, there we go. I got the switch in there. Do I have anything in here? I don't know if I have anything in here that's worth. Actually, no. Okay, that just said switches on. That's stuff. Okay, I got a switch there. Then I have another one. I have another one, but I don't know where it is right now. So I'll see if you guys. Right there. Can you guys see me? That's good right there. Okay, so I'm thinking they're coming around this way here. So I'm thinking about putting it right here. This is a good spot, yeah. But I got that one. I got a few straights in here, straight pieces that I can use. And when I find that other one, well, actually, I want to make like a little cutoff here for the town. Well, no, this will be where the trains like. This will be like the roundhouse, but it's not really a roundhouse. Got a little end thing there. That'll be like where the roundhouse is, but I don't know if I'll make a roundhouse. I'll make a shed, and then we'll also have like a area where they pick up freight there. But that's about all I've got there for that. So yeah. But we also have to do a little bit more today. We have to start decorating. I think I'm gonna put a grass mat down here. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that grass mat. I've actually kind of changed my mind. on a grass map. This could be like a desert area. But we are going to use those for like a little bit of scenery, I think. We also, we'll use those for scenery. For like scenery areas. This is going to be the town right there. So I'm going to go get my town stuff. And I'll be right back. Well, we have all this stuff here in this big box. I'm going to cut this up and we're going to use it as like a base for our stuff here. So yeah, I'm going to cut this box, put it on a time lapse, and yeah. Well guys, I did film me like cutting the box, but what happened is I had it on actual video, not like time lapse. So oh well, I get because it was 10 minutes long, so can't do that. But I did get this cut out. If you guys could see that, but I'll start working on that, and yeah. I'll just do time lapse of that, and I'll make sure to put it on time lapse this time. So anyway, this is what I've made. You got the town here, you got a fire station, you got a few buildings, you got the train station, you got just some industrial buildings, you got that little like spur building there. But what I was doing on that last part there was putting these telephone poles up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.